In the name of Allah, the most beneficent, the merciful, Lecture 8, Part 10, International Law. As we are discussing and the topic of relationship between international law and municipal law is continued, and in this sitting we will discuss the difference between international law and municipal law. The first and foremost difference is the difference of source. The sources of international law are customs, treaties, juristic writings, judicial decisions, and general principles of law recognized by states. And the international law is not the outcome of a legislation of a sovereign authority, whereas municipal law is outcome of legislation by the state. That should be a parliament, a congress, or by any other name. Hence, there is a proper source of municipal law, and that is a sovereign authority. And there are legislative bodies from where the municipal law is produced or reflected. The second difference is the application. International law is applicable to all the states, whereas the municipal law is applicable to one state only, and the subjects of state, not the subjects of international law. International law regulates the relations among states, its subjects, vice versa, and the relations between international institutions, international organizations, multinational companies, organizations, etc. Whereas municipal law deals purely with the rights and duties of the individuals under a single state. Enforcement, there is no proper mechanism of enforcement of international law. There is only the pressure of public opinion or economic sanction or the UNO force, blue helmet, whereas there is a proper mechanism of for enforcement of international law, like law enforcing agencies, like police, like paramilitary forces, etc. Jurisdiction, the jurisdiction of international law is like its enforcement is wide, and the foreign elements came under its umbrella, whereas the jurisdiction of international municipal law is only to the extent of a single state, and the individuals like a legal entities or the natural persons came under its jurisdiction. Conflicts of laws. International law does not deal with the conflicts of system of law, whereas municipal law may involve conflicts of laws. Thank you very much.